just sometimes months ago, the national chairman, the Mr. President emerged after the primaries and the convention that elected him to be the candidate of the party. And today, formally for providing and submitting the form that will be put on the portal of INEC. It's a great pleasure. Welcome all of you once again, and to tell you how committed the leadership of the party is in working with all organs of the party to ensure success in the next coming campaigns and subsequent elections and so forth. I want to also assure you of the commitment of the party to carry everybody along to ensure we succeed in the general elections. I want everybody, all of you, continue to support the party, support the leadership of the party at all levels, and continue to pray to our leaders, to our party, and to our dear country. And you also use this opportunity to thank all our governors for all the wonderful things they are doing in their respective states, providing dividends of democracy to our electorate in our states in Nigeria. Also, I want to especially thank our leader, the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu this year, for the good thing he's doing for this country, and will continue to be behind him and support him and pray for him. May God bless all Progressive Congress. May God bless Nigeria. Thank you.
Your Excellencies, the executive governors,
have a form to complete for us.
Hold the form and face this side.
Yeah, this side.
Under the platform of All Progressive Congress, who are here in our manners to support the political advisor to Mr. President to submit the INEC nomination form for our presidential candidate and his running mate for the January presidential election 2027. We, the governors, are highly delighted and happy that this event of today is coming after a well-organized and thoroughly supervised primary process. We reconfirm our commitment to grow our party from strength to strength. Our commitment to support the efforts of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR and the way he is driving the affairs of our great country. We continue to support his achievements, policies and programs for the larger interests of Greater Nigeria. So on behalf of the governors of All Progressive Congress, indeed, supporters and well-wishers, we continue to pledge our loyalty to our great party, a party that is driven by rules, a party that understands the meaning of democracy, a party that is driving an all-inclusive government. And indeed, we stand proud to say that our president has done very, very well within the last 3.5 years. And that we will continue to support him to take Nigeria to a greater and greater height. So on behalf of the good people of our various states, the subnationals, we say, well done our great party leadership. The members of the National Working Committee and the chairman will also reaffirm our support for you We have done very, very well. We are going to go together. We are going to start our campaign. Together, we are going to face the elections. And together, we are going to deliver victory for all positions, not only for the presidential election, all positions of governors, of members of national assemblies, and members of the state constituent assembly. APC has come to stay. May God bless all of us. Thank you.
For coming to this August occasion that climax the activities that we started with the primary elections from the House of Assembly to the National Assembly to governorship, and we concluded with the presidential primary election. Today is a reflection of the wishes of over 12 million of our members of APC, who overwhelmingly voted Mr. President as their candidate to flag off the party candidature in the 2027 presidential election. And we are proud that the members of the APC across the country, 12 million votes already in the kit for Mr. President, voted overwhelmingly for him. And I'm sure with other members of the public who are sympathizers of APC, who are friends of the APC, who are also beneficiaries of the program of Mr. President, I know they will also overwhelmingly vote Mr. President. I can't imagine the over 1.5 million students who are receiving student loan. You know, members of our political party, but they have their family, they have their friends, and they are 1.5 million. They are part people that overwhelmingly want to vote Mr. President for supporting their education, despite their further plan. We have road network across the country that Mr. President has constructed, some of the longest in the history of Nigeria. Communities that have forgotten about road connection before, today they have access to beautiful concrete pavements across their communities, passing their villages, recruiting the people in the villages as part of the workers, and it covers all the 6 political zones. Harvesting people, those people on social media will say, who vote APC? They are waiting for us to their PVC across the country to vote Mr. President. Why the railway pass through in communities? And different projects, apart from what I've seen the government also doing. I've been to most of the states, and I've seen what they're doing. Yesterday, I saw pyramids of fertilizers in Borno State. Pyramids, as if in mountains. These farmers are waiting. I was also in Niger State, the same pyramids. I've seen road projects in almost all the states that we've never seen before. These are all states, people, projects that are dear to the people of Nigeria, and people are waiting with their PVC for us. Therefore, Your Excellency, Ibrahim Masari, go and tell our father, go and tell the leader of our party that Nigerians, our party members, will overwhelmingly come January, vote for him. For the second term, to continue with the excellent work we have done in the first tenure. I appeal to the governors, I appeal to our supporters that let's go back and broadcast this good news of what Mr. President is doing across the country. What we need is publicity of the activities, of the success story of what Mr. President has done. I went to my village to flag off one of the roads close to my community. And we listed, I read out what Mr. President has done across the country. And somebody asked me, are you sure this is true? I told him, Google all of them. Fact check everything I've said. If any of them is a lie, don't vote Mr. President. He fact-checked and returned back and said, everything you said is true. While they're propagating propaganda, we're out there with our facts. Let's tell them for the people. Let's tell them our success stories. Believe you me, Nigerians have seen a difference between policy that touches the people, governance that touches the people, and we will all come out and mobilize across the 6 local zones. I'm sure there will be competitions between the governors. I know one of the geographical zones told me that they will bring the highest vote for Mr. President. And I'll be happy to see this kind of competition between the governors, zoning themselves, aggregating themselves, so that we see the states that will return the highest number of votes for Mr. President. But believe you me, we are excited as a party that we're presenting the best candidate ever in the history of this country in terms of good governance. As a party, we are proud, we're happy that we're presenting the very best candidate going to this election. And that's why we're not afraid, we're not in doubt of our success. There's no shaking at all in any way. That come 2027, our victory as a party is assured and reassured. Having said that, I want to thank you for the support you've given Mr. President, especially the governors, leaving your comfort zones, traveling across the states to be here. Thank you for the support you've given Mr. President. Extend our warm regards to all the other governors who are here. Tell them that Mr. President said his kind regards to all of you. The National Assembly members the same thing. We send our warm regards for your support in ensuring that our policy of the government, they always pass through the National Assembly with ease. That support is vital. That collaboration is vital. And we must thank the National Assembly for standing by Mr. President to ensure the policy of governance, of government, is scaled through the National Assembly with ease. Without you, so the policy would have been impossible. But with your support, we've seen most of the policy of government have come to a bright light because of your support for Mr. President. And for all our members of the party, I want to thank you for the support, especially the voting that took place at the primary election. Turning out over 11 million, about 11 million, over 10.9 million votes for Mr. President was not a mean feat. Verified members. I also suppose that if you doubt our membership, then you should doubt your international passport. The same source of data, the same verified from NIMSI, the same name is what we use for our verification. So if you doubt the members of APC, doubt your international passport, doubt your driver's license, doubt any data you have around you, doubt almost everything you have. We're the only political party that have verified members. We already have 10.9 million members of APC that have voted for Mr. President. So we are waiting for the addition. We can only add to that 10.9 million votes. Therefore, we are going to work door to door, house to house. We mobilize from state to state, from all corners of the country, to ensure that we turn a mass in January to return Mr. President in 2027. Having said that, I want to thank you for coming, and we appreciate deeply your support for the party. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thank you, Mr. Presidential candidate of our party is President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And our vice presidential candidate is the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Kashim Shettima. He is the vice presidential candidate of our party. We just a few minutes ago received their INEC nomination forms, which, were duly completed and submitted to us for onward transmission to INEC.
Asking this question against the background of the fact that there have been insinuations that because
we don't deal or traffic in speculations. We don't traffic in speculations. We are about process, and our process of primaries has happened. And today we are, receiving the completed INEC nomination forms from Mr. President and Mr. Vice President for submission to INEC. That is the process, which is why we are never in a hurry to respond to those rumors and speculations and innuendos. We wait. When we have the moment and the facts, we act. Today is the APC acting as we do to tell Nigerians that we're now on our way to submitting the INEC nomination forms on behalf of Mr. President and Mr. Vice President.
So,
I have upwards of 20 million votes. I mean, if you have 11.9 million, that's 12 million, quite frankly. So, we have a massive support base, which we're hoping will play into the decisions for the next election, not just for the president and the vice president, but for all of the contested offices, in that election.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.